Hey there everybody, Boyd here with you. Hope you're having a great Labor Day weekend. I'm having a little bit of fun here myself, you guys, just watching some old movies and doing a little bit of work here in the shop. I'm going to be starting some new longer projects, and we're going to be getting back to the Enterprise refit starting next week. But I just wanted to have fun this weekend working on a couple quick little things, so I downloaded and 3D printed a couple more figures. This is Old Bob from the original Disney classic, The Black Hole, which is actually one of my favorite movies, and I really love this character, voiced by Slim Pickens, which gave it a really unique, kind of memorable dialogue that he had in the movie. And I got this figure over at Cults. I'll put the link to that in the description below. There's a great little site online where you can find a bunch of STL files for 3D printing. A lot of the stuff over there is for free. I actually paid a couple bucks for this one. I think it was like $3 or something. Not bad at all, but really a neat little figure. It's really nice too. It's pretty accurate to the original Bob. He did a great job, whoever the artist was, putting all the dents and everything on him. And so I just had a little bit of fun weathering him all up, painting him and everything. He prints in 3 pieces. You got his main body, his little leg down here, and his claw on the right hand side there. But I just had some fun, you know, painting all the damage detail on him, and then I put some wires on him here and there like you saw sticking up. He was just pretty beat up in the movie, but he was really, really cool. So I had a lot of fun with that, just kind of show you the top of him and stuff and the back. But yeah, he looks great. And what I did is I upscaled this a little bit. Right here is what it looks like when you print it, you know, at 100%. So I brought him up to like 150%, and he's a nice size now. So that's the beauty of 3D printing too. You can up and scale down, so, and you don't lose any of the details. So that turned out great. And then over here, you guys, I've got some more Black Hole. This is if you guys are fans of the movie, you'll know exactly who this is. This is S.T.A.R. He was the guy that Vincent had the kind of gunfight challenge with, you know, when they were target shooting. And this is a really cool little figure too. I got it from the same place, same artist. And the way he did this one I thought was really neat is he designed it like the original action figure from the 70s, where it's got the hinge joints and everything. It looks just like it. So I just upscaled it to, like, I think the same, about 150%. He'll be about 8 or 9 inches tall when I get done with him. But you can see it's a really nice, you know, it's a really nice figure. It looks exactly like him, and he's got the little guns and everything, his little holster. So I'm going to be working on him this afternoon, and probably a little bit tomorrow morning, and get him put together and painted up, and I'll show you an update video on it then. And so again, just having a little bit of fun this weekend, watching some old movies and doing a little bit of printing. So next week, you guys, I'll be starting some new projects here. I've got that sci-fi project I talked about from the 80s with some ships, and then we're going to get back to the Enterprise refit. Okay, so hope you guys are having fun out there as well. We'll see you with the update coming pretty soon. Take care and happy modeling, everybody.